Hey guys, science this term is all about water. And we want to start thinking about what is water? Where does water come from? What does water look like? What does water feel like? What does water sound like? So for our first science lesson, we're going to be looking at our 5 different senses. So we're going to be looking at what does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it taste like? What does it smell like? And what does it sound like? Okay, so I want you to think outside the box. I want you to think big. So it's not about just looking at water in a glass, okay? So if you look at water, what does it remind you of? What it might look like, it might just look like blue to you. It might look like clear. It might look like a liquid, but for other people, it might look like the ocean. It might look like the river. And there's lots of different other things, and none of them are right or wrong. They're all your interpretation of what it looks like to you. And then if we move on to feels like, what does it feel like to you? Does it feel slippery? Does it feel soft? Does it feel warm? Does it feel cold? What does it feel like? What does it taste like? You might have been to the ocean and a wave could have come over and it could have you could have gone under, and it could taste like all salty to you, the water. The water could also taste yummy to you. Let me know, what does water taste like to you? What does water smell like? When you think about where you have been and seen water, what does it smell like? Does it smell like dirt down at the river? Does it smell salty like at the ocean? What does it smell like? And what does it sound like? Does it sound like waves crashing in? Does it sound like the soft flow of the river? Does it sound like your bath running? What does it sound like? Let me know. Have a go. And I'd love to see some of your answers. Perfect.